Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, right? So the topic it is like that. So here prokaryotic cells I have going to explain, and this side eukaryotic cells, right? So prokaryotic, eukaryotic. So these are the points where we are going to discuss, like definition, size, nucleus, flagella, cell wall, multiplication, reproduction, example, etc. So the first one, definition. When we talk about the definition, in prokaryotic case, cell don't possess nucleus and membrane or membrane bound organelles, right? Prokaryotic will don't, no, right? That's what pro means, no we can see, right? Makes up most of the things it is not going to happen here, right? But it will be there in the eukaryotic. That's what it is possessing. So eukaryotic cells are possessing nucleus and membrane bound organelles, that you need to remember. Second point, it is size. So prokaryotic case it is 0.2 to 2 micrometer diameter in size, whereas it is a little bit larger, 10 to 100 micrometer. Coming to third one, nucleus. No true nucleus. There will be no true nucleus. Sometime it will be there, sometime it will not be there, whereas here the true nucleus will be there in the eukaryotic cells. The fourth point is membrane bound organelles. Don't have membrane bound organelles in prokaryotic, but it will be there in the eukaryotic, in the, say for example, mitochondria, cytoplasm, and the endoplasmic reticulum, and all those things we have seen already in the plant and animal cell. Coming to the flagella. Flagella is something which will be there in the, like a tail into the particular cell, or bacterial cell, or it may be whatever cell. So in the case of prokaryotic, made up of two proteins, or there will be the flagella, right? Different types of flagella, 1, 2, all the side, head and tail, right? Like that. Okay. Coming to this side, eukaryotic, some cell without cell wall, right? So that is there. Flagella will be having some cell, but without cell wall it will be there, right? Coming to the Glycocalyx, right? Glycocalyx means it will be act as a capsule, whereas in the eukaryotic don't have cell wall, possess a glycocalyx. So that you need to remember. Here in this glycocalyx only, don't word it is coming in this side, eukaryotic side, and the remaining all the cell, no, don't, this kind of things it is coming in pro, but only in this case glycocalyx it is coming this side. That you have to remember. Then next one, cell wall. When we talk about the cell wall under the prokaryotic cell, they are made up of peptidoglycan, which is complex, whereas in this side cellulose, chitin, pectin, it is going to have, and there will be simple cell wall, right? That you need to remember. The chitin, cellulose, pectin we have seen in the plant cell, right? So coming to the next one, plasma membrane. When we talk about plasma membrane, it is made up of carbohydrate and sterol. It will be there in the plasma membrane, whereas in eukaryotic the carbohydrate and sterol serve as a receptor in the plasma membrane. So that is the difference. Okay. Coming to the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is something which will be there inside the cell content, right? So that's what, no cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasmic streaming will not be there in this case, but here complex cytoskeleton we are going to find right, the matrix will be there. Okay. Coming to the cell division, how they are going for multiplication. So in the case of prokaryotic, like bacteria, they are adopting binary fission, like 1 will become 2, 2 will become 4, in that way, whereas in eukaryotic mitosis pattern they are adopting. Coming to the cell division completed. Reproduction means no sexual reproduction it is going to have in the prokaryotic case, whereas there will be the sexual reproduction possible is there, depends, but in that they are adopting the meiosis pattern they are adopting when they will go for reproduction, right? Examples very important here. In prokaryotic the examples are bacteria, archaea, whereas in eukaryotic we can keep the plants, animals, and fungi, protozoa, and all those things, right? So this is the some basic points where we are going to differentiate prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, so that you can write it down. Depend on the marks, if it is for more marks you can elaborate your answer when you will come to know the points and what is the basic difference. There you should not confuse. Thank you.